So this is me making some Spanish tortilla. So we use some baby potatoes. We used 800 grams of baby potatoes, and we used 6 eggs. So from here we peeled all the potatoes as much as we could. Well, not as much as we could. We peeled all of them and kept them in some water. And so we also had an onion. We peeled full onion and we diced them very, very thin, because it's better to cook when they're thin and you're not getting big lumps of onion in your mouth. So this is me peeling, dicing up the potato. Some people cut big chunks, but better if they're cut thinner because they cook more evenly and they're better to. I learned how to make this tortilla from my girlfriend's grandmam. She's brilliant at making them. So we use some olive oil here. Now I used the wrong pan really to start with. I thought everything would fit in this small pan when I started cooking, but it didn't. So yeah. This is I start mixing up the eggs. You want to use enough like olive oil to cover, kind of just slightly cover everything. But as you'll see now, well, you don't get to see, but I used well too much. The pan is too small, what I mean is the pan was too small. And you don't want to cook your stuff too hot either, because you don't want to fry them like chips, you just want to cook them. Do you know what I mean? So here's some chips here, and there's the onion. So really you let them cook for about 15 minutes, keep on mixing them around. Even more, what I do is, I learned from my whole grandma, is when everything's soft and tender, you mash them together. Not everybody does this, but it really makes it much more tender when you're eating it, instead of big lumps. It's lovely. So when they're all cooked, you put them into the eggs and you mix them around, let them set for around 5 minutes or so. Here's Esther just like taking out little bits. So we put it back into the original small pan because it fit. So there's Vegas. So I'm not the best at making videos, but just the first one I'm gonna make. There's the tortilla on one end and we flipped it over. It looked like this. We put little holes in it to make sure it was cooked on the inside.